Hello?
Hello, hi.
Yes, sir. How are you doing, sir?
I'm doing great. This is Dale Hithgom. Was wondering sometime this weekend you could come over and clean me up.
Sure, sir. No problem.
And,
Where are you located, sir?
I'm sorry?
Where are you located?
I'm over in the West Los Angeles area,
Okay.
and I've been dirty for quite some time.
Okay.
So, is there a chance that you could come over here, strip me down, completely shave me, and get me all cleaned up and put me outside?
Yeah, what style you have, sir?
I've got all sorts of different styles. Depends on what sort of mood I'm in, a disco mood or sort of an 80s mood or things like that. I would also like you to get on a giant ladder and rip the roof off of my neighbor's roof.
Okay.
You could do that.
Yeah, I do.
You can do it.
Yeah,
And
I can do, yeah.
can you rip my wife a new ass?
Sure?
Or whatever, right?
Yeah,
And I've had a lot of problems with her. How much would that cost you? You can sort of jerk her thing down and rip her a new sort of thing.
I have to look at first, sir.
And also I have a giant fortress with lots of gnomes and elves out in the yard. Can you specifically cut all of those trees down and then rebuild the fortress once more?
Yeah, I can start.
You know Johnny Appleseed, correct? So this shouldn't
Yes.
be a problem.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
But I have to look at first and give you.
Well, you can look after we make love and all of that stuff, but first we'll have to do that, and then we'll go out. And like I said, you've got to completely shave me down and rub me the right way. And if that works out, then I can pay you top dollar to do that, and we can have this. You can do this weekly if you'd like, and that would be great. I'd be real excited about it.
No problem, sir.
And
I'll do for you.
how tall are you? Are you a strong man? If what am I looking at? Am I going to have to sort of hold on to you? You're pumping me up the ass, or
I have 3-4 people working with me.
we're going to have 3 to 4 people doing this?
Yes.
You're right up my alley. You're right up. I think you'll get me cleaned up real good.
Yeah, no problem.
Okay, no problem. I'm sorry?
I have big group, you know.
You have big groper?
Yeah.
Well, that's perfect. So you can grope
You know, how
every.
many people we need, I have people.
You can grope my bunch and stick things up my. Okay.
Give me address.
How about I'll call you back later? I've got to talk to my retarded wife and see if she's into it, and then we'll bring you in, and I'll have all the lotions and the nurses here. I'll get you on an IV, and then bam, bang, boom, send me straight to the moon. Okay?
Okay, sir. No problem.
Okay. Thank you. I love you. And you're beautiful, beautiful bottom. I bet. Bye bye.
Okay, thank you, sir. Have a good night, sir.
Yes, beautiful ass you have. Bye.
Okay, bye.